Welcome to Jamaica Good Life. This is Jamaica Good Life based in Portland. This is Silva. This is now Jamaica Good Life family. So all the people from over the world, the real soldier them, so I deal with. This is how I deal with now Portland. It's really up and running. So you see my mango is there. We meet the General Everton.
Yes, sir.
So this is the Jamaica Good Life family, and these are the authentic warriors. They uphold the thing to the fullest. So yeah, see another place and the camp. I will talk about that later. Beautiful love in this place. So these will be your guide to show you why Jamaica is the best place in the world. Shall we move, gentlemen?
Yes, sir.
Let's move. All right. Oh, go on. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come. You know, around this day, around it, always depending 24/7, 365, bringing you the live, uncut experience of a lifetime throughout the world, the travel. So, see, real liberty. So how you feel, Silva? How you feel about the vibes so far? Everything?
It's a beautiful life. Don't see it up again. You can live for doors. I see so many people move here.
Some spring water, that's what we do in the early morning. But we don't like the pipe water in the early morning. The body needs some health, you know?
Yeah.
Freshly good. Yeah, man. So we're going to the spring and then after we'll go a little bit to the beach or to the mountain. But we'll see the vibe. It will be very interesting. So,
Respect. We're gonna keep the camera here to show you the view. And where are we located now?
well, we're going into the best work area now.
Okay. So these homes are all Jamaican homes.
Yeah, man. These are local homes.
Local homes.
Vibes, you know? A lot of returnees and stuff too, you know. It's a good vibe.
Lots of returning residents.
Yeah, a lot of returning residents.
So how many guests do you have at your banging place?
Well, at my place, guests can come up to 9 in numbers. Right now the season is starting again, so you'll see people coming in and out. So that will be the vibe soon, you know.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, thanks for having us.
Yes, sir. Silva, left, right. Silva. Yeah, take so long, God.
Silva, how much you smoke today, Silva? Silva, easy. The Silva, the easy vibe. At this spring. You Silva easy, you know, Silva just easy. The first time we meet Silva, so you just so easy. Just easy.
Yeah, man. Fucking.
Silva easy, it's scary.
Scary,
It's
right?
scary,
Yeah,
easy.
man, it's scary, easy.
It's a scary easy.
Be scared.
Don't be
Just
scared.
keep it banging. Living the lifestyle.
So, Silva, when the Jamaican Good Life people them come and says, "Hello, how you doing? Everything good, man?" Silva, I walk up and say, "Yeah, man, everything easy." Yeah. And I said, "Where the money I come from?" Look how beautiful, man. So this is the spring.
You want to know where you're going to the spring now?
Wow. Jamaicans, you see, you can't get the real thing if you don't hang out with the real people, them.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So we're going around into a mini part of this used to be our jungle, you know. People start to live here, you know. So it's like
Everybody will take over everything.
everything, you know. And especially with the spring being here. People want to live here.
So we don't can capture a piece of the land too.
Well, it reach a point now where easier to buy.
Easier to buy? You can buy land here?
Yeah, man.
People sell land here.
Yeah, man, a lot.
Eh?
Just have to link with the right link and you can get a piece to buy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And this is like just 3 minutes from the town.
3 minutes from the town. But you said land is selling here.
Yeah.
Well, who own the land? The people, them?
Yeah, and
And government.
land for sale.
You'll see the signs.
Well, sometimes not really. Some people sell the land online.
Online. Yes, no. This road I got developed, you know. Anyway, there's a spring now running water. Babylon are come fit, you know.
True.
I know that. Lush and green, man. No wonder the people I'm easy. I'm easy, man. You have some Gorse Michelle banana tree. Okay. This spring is not on Google Maps.
It's not.
You can't find them spring yet. Tourists come on here, so
They don't even know that it exists.
they don't know it exists.
Understand?
So, but
Only
people.
if we carry a few people.
Okay.
And they really get to see the vibe.
Carried it for sale. That's a nice fucking car. Wow, so only if wanna bring them know. That's guest house?
Yeah, but not anymore.
Not functional.
Like an apartment.
All them things the man I go buy out, you know.
That's not make sense over this.
Yeah. All them it's about 2030. Is it if we don't set up on the thing right? In a 2030, you know, everybody all over the world are gonna hear. Yeah, man. It's a new Jamaica that we're building.
True.
But them now tell we are foreign. They don't want we come because we are going to buy up the thing because we have money. In a foreign, they don't want foreigners to come home. The rich in Jamaica don't want rich foreigners to come. But then they have competition. So they make them first move.
True.
And once them start buy up the thing and rent out the thing, can imagine you they have a something up there so nice. And you put it on Airbnb. Everybody at home.
Yes. The thing is, we soon change the house too, you know.
Your house over
Yeah,
there?
man, we soon change that, man.
And I rent, you rent the house at your house?
No, we rent it, but I mean, we soon change from that
From that house to a different
to a
one.
different one. We want a better one, man.
So I talk to Mike because then once you know have even some on the hilltop, our land, our civil family or whatever, the closest distance to the city but set up a way, that is it. Airbnb is the official thing. Once you take your picture them and set up, I mean look on the place, man. When you have it, man, look here. Look how beautiful, man. Look how one cool vine of virgin. And the difference between your beauty is fruits.
Fruits. Yeah, man.
The man they have beauty but they don't have no food.
No food.
No fruits in the pantry. So when I look for something and I can't get nothing from it.
That's true.
When I look for something here so I can get health and strength from it.
True that.
So it don't make no sense me have it if you look for it.
Yeah, if you can't get
If me can't get nothing from it.
That's true.
Right? Then you look for here so in Jamaica. I mean at them place you have to live. I mean the rain and fall.
You see what?
Nice environment.
True, man. It's nice.
And I have the honor of being here. Enough people in Jamaica, enough people not say them spring here. Mike, thank you for introducing me to them man here. Enough people not see them thing here. And we'll never see it in them life. But Jamaica good life, show it to you. When I show you in a beachfront with no tourists. A man said to me, oh you know show us the result, I show something when nobody not see.
See, yes, man.
He said the 400 year, 600 year tree.
Yeah, man. We need to go there today too.
Yeah. I loved it. Cause when you say spring to me, I say for me things that you want up the road. Me things that we can walk, but I like when we are going. And are going, so I know say a sacred roads. Wow, look on this, man. So no, all of the people that want to come. So we make them become a member before them catch you. So them keep building me.
Yeah, exactly.
You can't just come out the door and just say, yeah man, thank you, see you later.
Exactly.
Okay, so it's a guest house. You can't rent this.
No.
Yeah man, the money I rent out the room probably. Or them have to start. As if this people
When I did that, say one set it up and I could do a drop, but I won't leave us spending.
but this too far in. Bridget. Yo. I saw now live around there saying that Jamaica good life. The people want to talk about Jamaica have crime. You see nobody get shot away this morning. Right, look here man. Me never yo, not even St. Mary's still like this, you know. You know that? Me never see so much green in my life. So much fruit tree, you know. Look here man. Yes, sir. I don't place somewhere I live. Manchester arid. No water like that. Wow, I see why I don't just relax and easy because I don't live in the rainforest. Look here, sir. Lord God, wait till I show my rich friend them. Wow, sometimes you will hear me excited, so no worry about it, alright, cause with me, say something good. People that hear me excited.
Yeah,
But we don't care easy and say, oh, Randy and God, so. But when I see this, I New York where I come from, you know? You experience them things here. In abundance of life what we don't have. Everywhere you turn, it's just God there, I say. You know, Mike tell me, you know, so wait till you see the thing right there. Wait till you see it. Look for God fruits, man. Look there. Everywhere you turn in Jamaica. There's so much blessings, and these are the greatest places that bring me. We just need a Jeep. Wow.
Road easy, you know?
Nice.
Not so much on the grass. We're passing the turnings, man. So that can be the
So we're going to turn, stay here, so I'm walking. Good thing Silva did stay over, you know. As if you never stay over, I wouldn't see this.
Start morning.
Yes, sir. So we're going to get some spring water, people. Get some spring water. This is Randy Panja for Jamaica Good Life. Right now, Silva took us to the spring.
little GPR too, you know? Yeah, man. Confidence, and I give him enough confidence.
Yeah, man, ready.
Everton there. These are Jamaica
I
Good.
feel it does one going on you. 90s. Oh,
Silva, pull up your pants for the film. Change and balance. Marcus Garvey.
Boom. And I left me out and I say, oh, me I cut without my belly. I say, oh, me even a turn back, you know? Which are that the right thing me should have do, you know? Yeah, because see me end up, me even reach back home and now.
Okay. What we say about preparation? Never leave it. I know you're international, no Silva. And the people say, yo Randy, what kind of man we are promote with pants down? Change and balance. See it there? Jamaica. This is called, what them call it? Chocolate, cocoa.
It's like cocoa bean.
Yes.
Cocoa pie.
I'll go to spring. Thank you guys, man. Thank you.
Experience, you know?
Yeah. Okay. In this, you don't put your shoes in it. You have to walk barefoot in this. Yeah. I hate this. I know, let's bring this. We were glad if I just disregard. People, you know, some should never bring my slippers, but everything is still banging. Like the slippers, so I bring my shoes. Me not prepare, change and balance on the preparation. See it there. Man, them have star apple, right? The man, them have everything.
Yeah, man, how are you found on this is
But this is a man grown.
yeah, man.
You know him?
No, before we never even stay so in our house, so recently I come back and get some water the other day.
Oh, yes.
She said, please fix something nice, you know?
Are the king that?
Or that?
The owner. I'll go meet him.
Oh, yeah.
I'll get some sugar cane. Watch how Randy talk about the thing. I get anything in the world what I need, you know. Man, I'll have a stick for pick the coconut. See him laugh.
This is the last time. This side. Oh, go on.
Yes, king.
That brother. A brother that. Yeah. Brother. How are you? Oh, go on. Come on, let's see how do we work out. Yeah, do a little shoot, yeah. Yeah, shoot a little film, yeah. We are support farmer and baiting. We are support farmer and baiting. So I don't know if you would want for unite. I want to a small interview. Yeah, man.
When we come back?
Anytime, never.
So now a year farm this? Yeah. Your land?
No, that's my land personal.
So my name is Randy Pottinger.
Yeah.
Jamaica Good Life. What's your name?
Fitzroy. Tell him.
Fitzroy.
Yeah.
So you plan up everything yourself?
Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, but next building over there, so You know, did it right now, but you have a guy over there that's doing some work.
So where do you live?
I live just down.
You live around near the spring?
Yeah, man.
You have no sugar cane?
No,
No,
you know,
not
they
ready.
actually just not ready yet. You know, they're kind of young.
So no, this is called cocoa coffee.
Yeah, it's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
You're right, the same thing that they used to make cocoa.
Yeah.
Right.
This is your plant?
Well,
Or you come and see it?
yeah, come and see it. It was here a long time ago in Jamaica.
So how long you been farming?
Well, the thing is, I do a little there because I still do construction work.
Mm-hmm.
So once I don't have any construction work to do, then I'm in my farm.
Any
Right.
land for sale in the mountains where you know about?
Well, not right now. Maybe I could do some investigation.
So I have your number. Give me
Yeah.
the name again.
Fitzroy.
Fitzroy, respect,
Yes,
love.
man, respect.
All right?
All right.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, man.
Give
Love
thanks.
to you too.
We call you know.
Yeah, man.
Cause now we have a link down here, so. Respect.
Nice one.
That was, that's how we moving. Now we connect near to the spring. Wow. This is really a sacred place. A really sacred place, this is. I said this is a real sacred place, guys. Eh? Yeah. That's again.
Good things don't come in big parcels. Good things come in a small little itsy little tiny flow. Water.
You know that somebody in St. Thomas had something like this for healing. And a woman see it and said, that's not healing, but me tell her, I said, no, that I come out of the rock. There's a little water tank in there.
How much water is there?
Alright, don't so let me see this. Let me go wash my face. Oh, so you mean say Silva, you mean say you come all this way just for that little drip of water here?
Yeah, man.
Water Commission would say, that's the water company, they say, if the pipe flow hard, you burn less water, but by a drip of the water during the night, you're going to pay more on the bill. So I guess this one is selling a lot.
So this is where Silva drinks his water. How often you drink your water here?
Well, since we just come back from the country,
Yeah.
I did.
Yeah.
Right. One time, since from probably about a couple months ago, you know, I used to stay down the road, so I end up finding it. Yeah.
So people use this as a source.
Yeah, man, but this is a source. It's not used like a source, it's a source.
It is a source.
Yeah. And the earth is so much alive, like it's bleeding water right now.
Okay.
Something that you can't do without, because everything has to look on these trees. This is the root of the spring, and look on this tree. We get minerals directly from the source.
Filter,
From the
no?
roots.
Like the trees are like a filter body. Yeah, man. So if this tree die, this water will stop running. You see the trees around the spring, as far as even to the dam or the water where them send to the people. They always have an environmental protection around and the trees in that circle. Because the trees actually hold the surface and it flows through the body of the tree and the stone. So once you remove it, the water sink. Channel to a different part. That is what we know about a spring. A spring cannot be kept dirty. Once it's dirty, change the channel. True. Yes. There's about 50 spring in none such area. So when we get there, I'll show you what I mean. And I'll show you some spring that change the way how they flow just because of people putting maybe a hog pen there or so forth, but not realizing they just want the water source and not knowing they're mashing up the nature. So when they do that, with just the feces going in there, it stopped running.
Wow.
You know?
On that note, let's get some banging water.
That is all the water.
So yeah, man, film Randy going to the spring now. Yes, sir. Hello, Jamaica. All right, so this is the first spiritual move We're in Portland right now. This is the experience. When you come to Port Antonio, you have to link up with them. And I'm gonna take you to this little dripping water on a journey.
Yeah, man,
This is
pure,
Jamaica good life.
Pure.
This is as good as it gets. We get it from the source. Jamaica good
source.
life. Yeah? So enough of them places are there sentence for morning. Right? Like this. Enough of them places were sacred. People, like you said, like him said, when them start them have time. The more people discover something, the more them destroy.
Yeah, the more this keep secret still. And even though it a reveal to you, right?
Why this man would have come and wait with a bag when he could have go down there, sir, and full the bag? But him rather for wait to fill up the bag, yes, sir. Think about it. Why would this man wait, yes, sir? Feel him spirit, I tell him something about this. Him no want that down there, sir. I just him want. That's why I said, Silva, why are you so calm? See why I'm calm, yeah? From the source. Wow, so you would literally keep this all day right here, sir? You would hold this till it full?
Normally it run fast and go through the drought from what they like whole heap of sunshine. Like a lot of the springs and get drier, you know, and get dehydrated.
Wow.
The source. Like the more support it gets, you know, the more it has a spring, you know. So you support even this tree, as I said, it wouldn't die, you know. If this tree died, the spring wouldn't die. But it would lose a lot of support, you know.
So there's a bit of water under the ground here that is overflowing a little bit, just for get this out. It's a leak. Basically, the water thing a leak the table.
It creates a constant channel, so it's like it's a flowing water all the time. It no need a basin to catch it and then overflow it. It just keep constant.
Okay.
Through the stones, like
So
only.
it's a channel way up on top of the mountain.
Yeah, man. So anywhere it
A
running,
little channel.
yeah. So it running through mineral stones.
So it's a process.
It's a process
a
of-
little,
yeah, man.
a little. So this is the birth of a river.
For river, yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So it make its way as a little teeny water push through dirt and thing.
Until it turn into a.
A little.
Yeah. Sometimes, you know, they burst, you know, and turn a big river, so things like that happen. Yeah, man. But it depends on where and how it shape, you know.
You know, so banging. When we drink after water, you have to watch me, you know, I'm afraid, man.
Also, you know, I have a food everything. And just the other day, I'm telling us I'm coming. You know, I'm faster than this. You know?
And the healing outside. You can't keep doing outside healing. You have to come to a spring and drink the water, even if you get sick. You better get used to it. And the next year, you do it again, or you drink a teaspoon of it. Get a little bit of sickness. You make your body get used to things. It adapt, and then you keep doing it every year. And it give you different strength and give you minerals. And in Manchester, we don't have spring, we have rainwater. So for your tank water, we drink from the rain. But this is a different strength. You know, so this water, so the water, the man buckle on herself. You know, from spring water, right? Jamaica, this is Randy again. Put them a barefoot, yeah? I'll just take a bathe in this. Alright, wake up the whole thing. Good. And that's what you call it. Jamaica good life. Banging.
Experience, banging. Warrior, roll out.
What I doing home? Right. Jamaica good life out there. Whoa. This guy. The kids them.
So I'm taking them on the journey. I'm into the Warriors back. The next thing we want to do is to roll up some lemon grass, right? Cleanse yourself. Chew on this for 1 hour.